Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you go over how to use DaVinci Resolve, an incredibly powerful and free video editor. We'll start by getting you comfortable with the software's layout and understanding its main sections. You'll learn how to bring your video clips, images, and audio into the program, setting the stage for your creative project. This first step is crucial for any successful edit, ensuring all your assets are ready to go. Let's dive in and make video editing easy. Next, we'll spend time on the Edit page, which is your primary workspace for assembling your video. Here, you'll master essential techniques like cutting unwanted footage, trimming clips to perfection, and arranging them in a logical sequence. We'll also cover how to add smooth transitions between scenes, incorporate engaging titles, and apply simple effects to enhance your storytelling. Understanding the timeline is key, and will make sure you feel confident manipulating your footage with ease. Now, let's elevate your video's production quality by focusing on color and sound. We'll explore the fundamentals of color correction, showing you how to make your footage look vibrant and professional. You'll also learn simple yet effective audio adjustments to ensure your sound is crisp and clear. This includes balancing different audio levels, reducing background noise, and making sure your dialogue is easily understood. Good audio and visuals are paramount for a captivating video, and DaVinci Resolve makes it achievable. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. This slide will guide you through the crucial process of rendering and exporting your finished video project. We'll look at various export settings, helping you choose the best options for different platforms, whether it's for social media, YouTube, or a personal archive. You'll learn best practices to ensure your video maintains its high quality and looks fantastic wherever it's viewed. Congratulations, you're ready to showcase your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.